DJI Air 3S, unboxing and first flight. Got that coming up next. Bill Junrevere here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Air 3S is here. Through all the hoopla and rigmarole, it's finally in my hands. Got it up for its first flight. Now, before I did my first flight, I do want to let you know, I did do all the calibrations, and the gimbal calibration, the IMU calibration, compass calibration, and controller calibration. Okay, we're going to go ahead and unbox the DJI Air 3S here. Look at all sides of the box here. And here is the nice carrying case that it comes in. Set the box aside. Unclasp it here. Let's go ahead and look what's up top first. It looks like warranty booklet and quick start guides. We'll go ahead and set that aside. And there's the USB cable. And here are the propellers. And that is the filter case with filters. Here is the controller. And here is the battery charging hub with 2 batteries in it. And here's the Air 3S itself. And there goes the bag. And that looks like that's all that's in the bag. So let's start opening some things here. We'll go ahead and start with the props first. And this is fairly easy. I gotta hand some kudos to DJI because normally it's pretty hard to get all those out. Now these are the props for the drone itself and also spare propellers as well. Okay, we'll go ahead and set those down. And let's go ahead and open up the filters case. Nice case from DJI with these filters. Go ahead and open it up here. Sure not easy to open here. I think I got it here. Okay. Very nice filters from DJI. Kudos to DJI for including that with the Air 3S. Okay, let's open up the controller here. And here's the controller. And on the back are the joysticks. Go ahead and open up the battery hub here with the 2 batteries in it. Again, I'm impressed with how easy, and as I say how easy it is, this one's a little tougher, but all in all, they've been fairly easy to open today. And there's the hub with the 2 batteries in it, and they are partially charged. There's the charging status indicator over there, and there's a lock-unlock mechanism for the batteries. Now we'll go ahead and open up the R3S. Of course, it does come without propellers on it. You will have to put propellers on it. And that's a nice gimbal guard. Really like the gimbal cover on this. Very nice. And of course, there's the battery in the back. Sensors on the bottom. Let's go ahead and get the gimbal guard on, or we'll open it up here first. There we go. Got to remember to do it in the right order here. I always forget. Let's go ahead. I think we pushed down on this to get that open. Yeah. And there's that piece of foam that they put in as a factory for the gimbal itself. Okay, we'll take the cover off first. Let's go ahead and do that. And you push down on it. Okay. Let's push down on this here. And I think that foam piece that's in there is holding that up. So let's go ahead and get that foam. Remember to take that foam piece out. There you go. Foam piece is out now. And the gimbal's free to rotate. And there's the R3S. It's looking pretty good here. The sensor's on the back. That battery's partially charged as well. And there's the LiDAR in the front. Okay, that was the unboxing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first flight. Okay, we're going to take the DJI Air 3S up for its very first flight. Ahead of time, and not on video, I did do the calibrations. I did a gimbal calibration, an IMU calibration, and a compass calibration, and a controller calibration. So all that should be set. I have 22 satellites, 94% battery remaining, and let's go ahead and take off for the first flight here. And recording has started. Let's get it up to about 100 feet or so. Good response on the sticks. And we're getting there. We're a little over 100. That's fine. And adjust the pitch of the gimbal. Going down here. Let's go ahead and go forward here a little bit. Okay, I'm going to just take a look and see how controls react here. Back up a little bit. Let's adjust the gimbal a little more here. That's looking pretty good. I like that. I like that. Okay. Zooming in. Works really well. Very impressed with that. Okay, let's zoom back out slowly. Now let's go ahead and fly over the clubhouse here. Head down to the tennis courts. And we'll go ahead and take a nice look here at the clubhouse and parking lot area. And what I'm doing right now, because it's the first time I'm flying, I'm doing some maneuverability testing just to verify that everything works as it should, which it should. There shouldn't be any problem with it, but definitely want to do that. Very impressed with this. Maneuverability is just fine here. I'm going to go ahead and take it up to the fountain area. They have just finished some repairs on it, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at it. There's still a lot of yard debris from Milton, Hurricane Milton, that's still out. And it's going to be quite some time before that gets taken care of. Also, a lot of the trees that were destroyed or damaged and need replaced, it's going to take a lot of time to get that taken care of because the nurseries are out of trees, we found out, and they're having to get trees from up north. Let's turn around and take a look and see how the fountain looks here. Okay, we're going to back up a little bit. Over to the side. Okay, we'll adjust the zoom here a little bit. Let's take a look and see. They did complete repairs on the fountain before the hurricanes hit, and they did a good job, and they repainted it as well too. It looks very, very good. Okay, let's back out here a little bit. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to head back here. Now I'm in normal mode, so we're going to test speed in another video, not this one. I just heard it. It's overhead right now. I'm going to stop recording here for a second, and then we're going to take a look, and we're going to try some Masterhsots here. Let's go ahead and get this adjusted to go ahead and do that. Get that off the screen. I'm going to back it up here a little bit. Okay, we're going to cool our subject area. Estimated flight time 2 minutes. I'm going to start.
Three, two, one.
And adjusting aircraft position. And we are recording Masterhsots right now. Doing a droney first. One of the reasons I do Masterhsots also on our first flight, that also tests out a lot of capabilities and features of the drone as well too. Again, this is recording in 4K 30. About 22% of the way done. Pitch up and fly forward right now. We're at 78% battery. Doing a close circle now. Things are looking real good. Signal strength is real good. We have 26 satellites as well too, so that's looking real good. I'm going to do medium circle. 62% of the way done with Masterhsots. Do a rocket now. Camera down and fly forward. 71% of the way finished. 76% battery. Flying over the pool right now. So we can see there's nobody in the pool. It's a very nice day for end of October. It's in the very low 80s. Very comfortable, low humidity. My favorite time of the year in Florida. And we think for all intents and purposes, no more hurricanes as well too. 94% of the way done. Camera down and descend. And master shot complete. Aircraft returning to original location. It's almost there. 73% battery. Okay, recording screen unable to. Okay, we're done with Masterhsots. That has been completed now. Okay. Turn video back on. Let's go ahead and go forward here a little bit. I'm going to do a small return to home test. This is not going to be a definitive return to home test. I'm going to do that completely in a separate video here. So let's go ahead. Okay, we are right here, and we're going to go ahead and do return to home here.
Return to home.
Adjusting the pitch of the gimbal here.
Landing.
Let's see how well we do on the landing here. Let's see if it sticks it. Looking like it will make the pad. Looking good. Looking good. Got a little breeze picked up, but otherwise looking real good here. Okay, well, the first flight is in the books for the DJI Air 3S, and we put it through its paces, did some maneuverability testing, also did Masterhsots, which tests a lot of features, and it looks great. All in all, an incredibly successful first flight for the DJI Air 3S. Question of the day: what did you think of DJI Air 3S unboxing and first flight? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.